Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the PUBG gameplay between the OnePlus 9R versus the Mi11X device. As you can see friends, so let's see which phone will be able to play the PUBG game faster and smoother. And both phones are using the same Snapdragon 870 chipset, but we did face a couple of touch issues and lag issues in this Mi11X device. So let's see whether that's the case with the OnePlus 9R or not. So make sure to comment below friends what are your thoughts as well. So recently I did upload a lot of videos on the Mi11X in terms of the problems where the users are facing, so try to watch those videos. You'll get to know all the details about the Mi11X as well. So but let's see in this complete video I'll try to demonstrate you PUBG gameplay between both phones. So let's see which phone will be able to handle the PUBG game faster and better as well. So right now, as you can see friends, both phones, the PUBG game is already on the home screen. So I'll try to open it same time. So let's see which phone will be opening faster, and it is a OnePlus 9R and it is a Mi11X device. So let's compare side by side friends which phone will be able to open faster the game. So both phones are clicked at same time. So I'll try to play the game for about maybe 10 minutes of time, and during this time I'll try to check the temperature reading. So in the beginning the temperature reading is about 38%, as you can see, 38 and 36 in this Mi11X device, 35 and 36 as you can see clearly. And in the OnePlus 9R, so let me try to test the temperature, 36 degrees, as you can see friends clearly, 36 degrees. 36 degrees. So both phones are at 36 degrees right now, and is the OnePlus 9R the game opened here. I think in the Mi11X device there is an update going on, so that's why it took some time. So let me try to clear the application, let me try to close the PUBG game and start at same time again, so just to see the startup procedure, so which phone will be faster. So let me try to start at same time. So let's see friends which phone will be able to open. So this is a OnePlus 9R device, so it is a Mi11X device. So let's see which phone will be able to open faster. And on the top you can see Mi11X did open slightly far ahead of this OnePlus 9R. So let's see friends which one. So I think the Mi11X is gonna open the game a little bit slightly faster than the OnePlus 9R. So there is a video going on, but I think Mi11X did open the game faster a little bit. So let me try to show you the basic settings what we get in this OnePlus 9R device. Sorry. So in terms of the graphics, you don't get any kind of 90 FPS option. So right now I did not install any kind of config file in this phone particularly. So maybe in the later on I'll try to install the config file, and then you might be able to get the 90 FPS gameplay in this phone. So then you might be able to get that kind of feeling. So right now, so let me try to skip here. So right now in the Mi11X device, as you can see friends, is the Mi11X device. I did use the config file and I was able to get about 90 FPS, but the real-time FPS meter doesn't show the 90 FPS. So maybe I was using the wrong config file. So I'll try to find for the actual correct config file as well meanwhile. So meanwhile, in terms of the gameplay, I don't have any kind of problems with the OnePlus 9R device particularly. It's really smooth and very smooth friends, as you can see here. So there's no touch issues or any kind of lag issues, nothing at all while gaming overall. So even when I'm using the scope, it's really smooth. So even if you're using 4-finger, doesn't matter, it's really kind of smooth only overall. So I'm just trying to play only the team deathmatch only at the moment, first time. So then I'll try to play the actual gameplay as well. As you can see, even the dual speaker setup is really good in this phone, so which is a front facing speaker on this OnePlus 80, so which you get really good experience while listening to the music, particularly while listening to the gameplay. So you do get really good experience, so with the dual speaker setup. So even the Mi11X also feels kind of smooth only, so without much problems. But only a problem occurs when you're trying to use the 4-finger gestures and doing the gameplay. So only during at that time you'll be facing some kind of problem. So other than that, there's not much issues. Only couple of touch issues as well, couple of times. So definitely friends, make sure to comment below in case if you're facing any kind of touch problems in the MI Linux device while playing the PUBG game. So that is a most problematic thing a lot of users are actually facing in the MI Linux device particularly. Sometimes I can actually feel the lag, sometimes, not all the time, sometimes only. So I did like the sound output from the OnePlus 9R device when you're trying to play in the loudspeaker mode. So that is what I did like. So let me try to go to the graphics and basic. So let me try to turn on the gyroscope sensor as well, so you'll know exactly. So overall, there is not much touch lag and problems the OnePlus 9R is creating. So no issues till now at the moment. So when I did play a couple of games, other games like Call of Duty and the Genshin Impact as well. So during this time, I did not face any kind of issues in the game. But I'll definitely do in-depth testing on this particular phone as well, friends. So this is just the beginning of using this phone. So a lot of users did ask me this kind of question, that is there any touch issues or those kind of problems in this phone. But till now, I did not face any kind of issues. So in terms of the gameplay and options, I think we do have very good options in this MI Linux device. So where you can see the real-time FPS meter on the top. So that will give you the real-time statistics as well. So which is quite good in the MI Linux device particularly. So where is the OnePlus 9R device, you do get the FPS option, but that will be fixed at 60 or 120 FPS only. So you won't get any kind of real-time FPS. It won't change the real-time FPS. It won't get changed. So definitely friends, I'll try to do in-depth testing in terms of the multiple games trying in both phones. Genshin Impact particularly, that is a phone, that is a game, another one most of the people requested me to do. So I'll definitely do that kind of testing as well very soon. So overall, just for 10 minutes of gaming, the temperature went to the 37 and 38 degrees, 38 degrees, 39 degrees. As you can see friends, right now in the MI Linux device, 39.6, 39.4, in the OnePlus 9R, 38.8. I did feel slightly the OnePlus 9R in terms of the not increasing much the temperatures, but definitely I'll do the intense kind of testing only. So this is a basic testing, so I'll definitely do the intense testing as soon as possible. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.